Ito naman ang aking chika. Spotted in their stylish denim and diamonds outfit, ang ating Kapuso stars, personalities, and executives na all present and ready para sa selebrasyon ng 75th anniversary ng GMA Network. Makichika live kay Aubrey Carampel. Aubrey!
Tita Mel, kasabay ng pagdiriwang ng 75th anniversary ng GMA Network ay ginaganap ngayon ang Thanksgiving party na dinaluhan ng Kapuso stars, GMA executives at ng ating industry partners. Ang OOTD na guests and attendees sunod sa temang Denim and Diamonds na sumasalamin sa makulay, makinang at matatag na kasaysayan ng Kapuso Network sa loob ng 75 taon. Present ang Kapuso Executive sa pangunguna ni Chairman of the Board Advisor at Chairman of Programming Committee Attorney Felipe L. Gozon, President and CEO Gilberto Arduavit Jr., Executive Vice President and CFO Felipe S. Yalong, GMA Chief Marketing Officer Lizel Maralag at iba pang matataas na opisyal ng network. Dumating din in their stylish and chic denim and diamonds fit sina Dingdong Dantes, Alden Richards, Barbie Forteza, Michael V, pati na mga Kapuso Love Teams. Naroon din ang mga personalities ng GMA Integrated News, Public Affairs at DZBB.
Maraming mga hinahandang magagandang mga programa and pelikula this year. Surprise na lang, I can't announce them yet, but a lot of big projects are in the works for our 75th anniversary.
Bihira yung ganitong opportunity to be with our fellow Kapuso artists, but more importantly to be with our advertisers. Kasi syempre, yun talaga yun yung fuel ng trabaho natin, di ba, sa industriyang ito, lalo na sa television. Kung wala sila, wala yung mga programa na ginagawa natin. That's why it's an evening to give thanks, di ba? And also to talk about ideas kasama ng ating mga minamahal na advertisers, di ba? And of course, pati mga boss at yung mga Kapuso artists.
We're very happy and it has been a while since nagkaroon tayo ng Thanksgiving for the brands that has been supporting the network. And medyo nakakamiss din to have these kinds of events. You know, parang this should be done annually talaga, or at least wag naman once in a blue moon, kasi syempre the partnerships that we have with the brands and yung mutual relationship that we have with them is what sustains the network.
Tita Mel, ang Thanksgiving party ay isang pagdiriwang kasama ang ating advertisers at industry partners ng GMA para sa kanilang walang sawang suporta sa Kapuso Network. Yan muna ang latest, Tita Mel. Emil, hinihintay na namin kayo rito. Makiparty na kayo. Tara na! Balik sa inyo sa studio.
Oh, paparihan na kami. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Aubrey Carampel.